Believe it or not, the world's largest amphibian, the Chinese giant salamander, can grow up to an astonishing 6 feet long. That's right, a 6-foot salamander. And if you think that's impressive, consider this. These colossal creatures can live up to an astounding 80 years or more in the wild. Giant salamanders are a fascinating group of amphibians, represented by 3 extant species: the Chinese giant salamander, the Japanese giant salamander, and the North American hellbender. While the Chinese salamander holds the title for the largest, the Japanese variant isn't far behind, typically reaching lengths of around 5 feet. The North American hellbender, though the smallest of the 3, is still quite sizable, often growing up to 29 inches. These remarkable creatures primarily make their homes in clean, fast-flowing rivers and streams with rocky bottoms where the water is cool and oxygen-rich. They're masters of the ambush, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey such as fish, insects, and crustaceans to pass by before striking with lightning speed. When it comes to reproduction, giant salamanders lay their eggs in underwater cavities or crevices. The males then fertilize the eggs externally by releasing sperm into the water. This results in aquatic larvae that eventually undergo metamorphosis into adults. However, being a giant comes with its share of challenges. All 3 species of giant salamanders face significant threats and are listed as endangered or critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. They're threatened by habitat destruction, pollution, overharvesting for food and traditional medicine, and the introduction of invasive species. Yet despite these challenges, giant salamanders hold a special place in some East Asian cultures, particularly in China and Japan, where they're often considered symbols of longevity and good fortune. Physically, giant salamanders are a sight to behold. With their flattened bodies, long tails, small eyes, and slimy wrinkled skin, they're a testament to the wonders of nature. Their skin not only aids in respiration, but also houses sensory cells that help them detect movement and changes in water pressure, crucial for hunting and avoiding predators. In the face of growing threats, various conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. From habitat restoration and captive breeding programs to public education campaigns, these initiatives aim to raise awareness about the plight of giant salamanders and emphasize the importance of their conservation. So, the next time you think of a salamander, don't picture a small garden-variety amphibian. Instead, imagine a 6-foot giant capable of living up to 80 years, a remarkable creature that serves as a potent symbol of nature's resilience and diversity. Despite the odds, these giants continue to survive, and with our help, they will thrive.